Welcome to Bible Reptiles. This is a animal care video. So I just put new dirt in Bella and Gang enclosure. I filled it up to the line, a little past the line in certain parts, but that's just so they can have what they need inside the enclosure. Basically, you got that water bowl, little hide for real, hide that stuff from the enemies, and we got rocks in here. That's Bella. She up there hiding. We got Gang. We put new dirt. We put more dirt in his thing so he can have more dirt to bury. If he want to burrow, that's his basking spot. It's more than 8 inches away from. It's 8 inches from his body, so it won't burn him or anything. He's inside his hide, so if he want to dig, he got a lot of big space under there to dig. We got Lola and Tiger, my pet mice. And we cleaning up behind them, trying to get everything straight. Come along, guys, and let's do it. Let's get it out of the way. The cleaner, the happier. You like your room and stuff clean, right? You don't like to be around dirt. So you know your animals don't want to be around dirt. Yeah, I know the animals, but at the end of the day, you want to try to make sure they clean. The cleaner they are, the happier they are. Animals are pretty cool, man. Especially at Bible Reptile. All the animals are great. Well taken care of. So, we got some pine wood pet bedding. Shout out to all American pets. A lot of this stuff do gets on the floor. No matter how good you try to keep it from getting on the floor, it still finds a way to get on the floor. Lola might be pregnant again, so we gotta try to keep her home a little clean. We gotta help her keep it clean so Tiger won't think that she's dirty. We don't want him to think that he got a dirty lady. Put some in that little hide box. Okay. That's one home that's clean. You know, we got the Mouse Hotel. Put the water back in there. That's one house down, clean, nice. Now we just need them to run across so we can clean out this one. Come on, where you at? Go ahead. Go ahead, run across. Go ahead. Okay. Got one of the houses right. Now it's time to shake this one on up. They got a nice amount of food in their bowls. Time to fill up. Nice successful mouse cleaning. Another successful mouse cleaning. Thank y'all for coming. Until next time, it's the Family Gang.